Welcome to students. Today we are studying the cell biology, that is paper third of semester second. So first of all we see about the definition of cell biology. Cell biology is a branch of biology which deals with study of cells. जी आपण जी सेल्स स्टडी करतोय त्याला सेल बायोलॉजी किंवा सायटॉलॉजी म्हणायचं. सो फर्स्ट टाइम दी गॅलिलिओ in 1610 he invented the simple microscope, and afterwards in 1665 the scientist Robert Hooke studied the compound microscope and he invented the term cell. And afterwards, in the same century, that is in 1674, the scientist Leeuwenhoek discovered the free cells. That is, thus started a new branch of biology, that is study of cells in that is cytology. Then we'll see about the cell structure. This cell, that is word, is derived from a Greek word, that is kaitos means cell, and in Latin the cella means a hollow space. This cell is a fundamental, structural and functional unit of living organisms. सेल कशाला म्हणायचं? ही एक फंडामेंटल आहे, स्ट्रक्चरल अँड फंक्शनल युनिट, म्हणजे जे लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये स्ट्रक्चर तयार करते किंवा फंक्शन्स होत असतात त्याला सेल म्हणायचं. इन 1963 the scientists A.G. Lowy and P. Sienkiewicz they described or defined a cell as a unit of biological activity delimited by a semi-permeable membrane and capable of self-reproduction in a medium free of other living systems. म्हणजे त्याचा अर्थ काय? अ युनिट ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल ॲक्टिव्हिटी. ही कसं आहे? डिलिमिटेड बाय सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन. त्या सेलला बाहेरच्या बाजूला काय मेम्ब्रेन आहे, ते कसं आहे? सेमी परमेबल आहे. सेमी परमेबल आणि इम्परमेबल. इम्परमेबल म्हणजे त्या मेम्ब्रेनच्या थ्रू काही जाऊन देत नाही. परमेबलमध्ये जाऊन देते. सेमी म्हणजे काही ना परमिशन देते, काही ना देत नाही, त्याला सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन म्हणायचं. अँड कॅपेबल ऑफ सेल्फ रिप्रोडक्शन, आणि स्वतःच प्रोडक्शन करते फ्री ऑफ अदर लिव्हिंग सिस्टम्स. नाव दिस सेल theory. This cell theory put forward by two German scientists. दोन जर्मन सायंटिस्टनी हा सेल थेअरी इन्व्हेंट केलेला आहे. किती साली? इन 1839. दॅट इज बॉटनिस्ट M.J. सेलेडीन and zoologist T.S. Swan. So these two scientists put forward the theory, that is all living matter from the simplest of unicellular organisms to very complex higher plants and animals is composed of cells, and each cell can act independently but also functions as an integral part of the complete organisms. In 1833, a scientist Brown studied or invented a nucleus. Then the diversity of cell size and shape. First, we'll see about the cell size. There are two units of measurement of cell size. आता सेल साईज कसं मोजायचं, साईज त्याचं एक दोन मेजरमेंट्स आहेत. फर्स्ट वन इज दी मायक्रॉन और micrometer, and second one is the angstrom unit, that is size of the cell vary widely. तर लहानपासून मोठ्यापर्यंत अशी वेगवेगळी साईज आहे. The smallest cells, that is genus mycoplasm, 0.1 micrometer. तर बॅक्टेरियाचं साईज किती आहेत? 0.2 to 5 micrometers. Small leukocyte, that is the WBC, 5 to 6 micrometers. Blue-green algae, 10 micron. Euglena, 500 micron. Ciliated organisms, 120 microns. Diatoms, 100 microns. That is largest one is the amoeba, that is about 1000 micron. Ostrich egg is that is 15 centimeters. Hen's egg, that is 60 by 45 millimeters. Hummingbird egg, 13 by 8 millimeters. Human egg, 0.1 mm. Then length of nerve cell, that is about 1 meter. Then the shape of the cells. The shape also vary from animal to animal and organ to organ. That is, in case of bacteria, that is cocci, spherical, bacilli, rod shaped, spirilla, cork, screw shaped, and filamentous, thread like, and also the shapes are changing, or in some cases they are fixed. Changing is the example, that is amoeba. Fixed, that is flattened cells in case of squamous epithelium. Cuboidal, that is thyroid gland follicles. Columnar, that is cells lining of the intestine. Discoidal, that is red blood cells. Spherical, eggs, spindle, smooth muscle fibers. Then elongated, these are the nerve cells, and branched, the pigment cells of the skin. You see the examples of the animals, that is the shape of animals. Now we will discuss about the MCQs from this topic, that is the small topic, that is the first compound microscope built by dash dash, who used the term cell in 1665. That is, the answer is Robert Hooke. Second, the dash dash was formulated in 1839 by two German scientists, Selden and Schwann. The answer is cell theory. Third one is the theory of evolution. Third, dash dash are the basic structural and functional units or building blocks of all living organisms. The options: A. Bones, B. Tissues, C. Cells, D. Organs. The correct answer is C. Cells. Fourth one is the smallest cell belongs to the genus. Option A. Asterias, B. Mycoplasma, C. Amoeba, D. Ascaris. The correct answer is B. Mycoplasma. Then fifth, dash dash are two units of measurement of cell sizes. Option A. Milligram and microgram, B. Gram and kilogram, C. Micron and angstrom, D. Meter and kilometer. The correct answer is micron and angstrom.